Hey guys, how are you doing? Missed me? I missed you guys. It's been a very nice couple of days here in my city with my family. It was Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everyone. I'm sorry that I couldn't upload a specific video on Christmas, but as I mentioned in the past couple of videos, I was gonna be out of town. So I'm back. I'm back in the studio, and there's a couple of news. So there's a couple of things that have been happening in the last couple of days, and I want to give you a little bit of an insight on what we're gonna be doing this week. So first of all, this week I decided that I'm gonna take the week off, and I know that I promised that we were gonna continue with the lighthouse, but it's probably gonna be the only week that I'm gonna be able to have off for like the remaining of the year. I haven't had a vacation, like a true vacation, because we had the surgery like a couple of months ago, but I don't think that counts. I haven't had the vacation, so I decided that it might be a good idea to take a couple of days off, be ready, prepare myself, because next year we're going all out. Like, we're gonna be doing some great stuff here in the channel. We're gonna be doing more premium courses, more premium content, a lot of different like things that we want to try and show you guys. So I want to use this week to kind of gather some energy, be ready, enjoy my family, enjoy the rest of the year, and then we're gonna launch with everything on January. So that does not mean that we don't have cool stuff this week though. So let me show you here real quick. As I promised, we are gonna have a live session, and it was originally scheduled for the 29th. So let me explain how this thing is gonna work, because it's gonna be a little bit different here. Well, not different. It's gonna be weird because of the time zones. We're gonna have two sessions, okay? Two live sessions. They're gonna be about an hour, probably, depending if we have like a good amount of viewers and things go nicely. Then we can go on and just keep talking. But it's gonna be. Let me get like a notepad here. It's gonna be on 12:30 p.m. India time. Okay, so 12:30 p.m. India time on the 29th of December. Now, why is it weird? Well, because I am not in India time. I am in Central time. So for all of my friends that are in America, this would be, in my case, for instance, in Mexico time, this is gonna be on the 29th, but it's gonna be at 12:30 a.m. because you guys in India are 12 hours ahead of us. Okay, so we're gonna have a late night over here, so that our friends in India can tune in a very like a nice time. Then we're also gonna have, that's gonna be like the first live stream. So first live stream, it's gonna be Mexico time on the 29th, 12:30 a.m. and it's going to be 12:30 p.m. for India. I'm going to see if I can schedule it on the YouTube page as well, so that you guys know when things are approaching. I'll probably try that on Tuesday, so stay tuned. And yeah, and the second live stream is also going to be on the 29th, but it's going to be at 12:30 p.m. Okay, 12:30 p.m. Mexico time. Okay, which is Central time. So for those of you that are in the United States, or I don't know, Chile, Argentina, Puerto Rico, any of the other Latin American countries, it's I think it's Central time. I believe I'm in Central time. For our guys in India, this would be at 12:30 a.m. on the 3rd. So if you want to tune in, well, it's just gonna be a late night for you guys, but you're welcome to tune in as well. So yeah, this is gonna be both of our live streams. It's like a end of the year celebration. It's sort of like ask me anything deal. So you're gonna be able to ask me about myself, about my work, about my techniques. I'll probably be working on the lighthouse. If there's not like any specific questions, but if there's a specific question, we can just drop the lighthouse, do a quick demo, and then just move up from there. So I'm not planning anything. It's gonna be your call, guys, on what we do, and yeah. So that's pretty much gonna be it. After this, we're not gonna have anything, so I'm not gonna see you guys on New Year. I will record the video though. I will have a small video, just, you know, small little message from the Nexttut team for you guys, which will probably air on the 31st. But yes, it's not gonna be a 3D demo or anything. It's just gonna be a nice video for you guys. As I mentioned, I'm gonna be taking this week off. I'm gonna get some energy, be ready for next year, because we're gonna launch on January the 2nd. Okay, so January the 1st, which is sorry, January the 3rd. So January the 1st and January the 2nd, we're not gonna have a video, which is Saturday and Sunday next week. And we're gonna have our first official 2022 video on Monday. Is it Monday? Yes, Monday, January the 3rd. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much for the support. Just leave a message here, say hi. I'm really missing you guys all this couple of days. I know we've been having like a daily video for like 5 months. We broke our streak, but that's fine. We'll pick it back up, and then we'll do some amazing stuff next year. Okay, guys. So thank you very much. My family, everyone is very thankful for all of the support, and I hope to see you guys on the live. So stay tuned. Live December 29th. Now, before we go, do not click out of this video, because there's a very important thing that just happened in the last couple of days, and there was a comment that I just saw, like literally before recording this video. Like, what are these guys talking about? So Nikola Tesla 3 days ago mentioned that ArtStation just made learning free, and I was like, what? For those of you that are unaware, ArtStation has a learning section where people sell tutorials. I'm not sure if our tutorials are here. I'm not in charge of the uploading of our tutorials and stuff, but everything is free for or until the end of the year. I'm one of those guys that are always looking for ways to learn more stuff, so this is great. My best advice is go and grab a couple of these guys if you can, and learn them in this like, there's just like a week before the year ends. But there's something interesting about this, and the fact is that it seems that Unreal bought ArtStation, so Unreal is now, or ArtStation is now part of the Unreal ecosystem, and Unreal has been buying a lot of stuff lately, which is really interesting. Is this good for the industry? I personally like Unreal. I personally like their like business mindset and practices. I know they're a little bit invasive in certain areas, but I've been reaping the benefits of all of their acquisitions, so I'm happy for this. But you know, companies always have other motives sometimes, so some of you might not be super stoked about this ones. But yeah, just go here. I don't know how to activate this. I don't know if there's like an amount of courses that you can grab. But check them out. Like I'm myself gonna check a couple of them out. And if it's free, that's always great for every single 3D artist, right? So yeah, that's it. Just a quick little note. So aren't you glad you stayed until the very end? And that's it, guys. I'll see you back on the live stream December 29th, 2 days from now. So stay tuned, and I'll see you back on our next video. Bye bye.